Realization account is the one which will enable you to solve the whole question. If this is done correctly, if this realization account is prepared correctly, you can very easily do the whole question. Realization account, mind it is not revaluation account. It is different. It is realization account. Realization account, I told you, is prepared to realize the value of assets. Realize means sell. Sell the assets, dispose, and the amount received from them is utilized to pay. Amount received from them is utilized to pay the debts. Outside debts first, partners loan or advances. After that, adjustment of all the partners capital so that their amount due to them can be returned, and the remaining profit to be distributed amongst the partners. This is the whole procedure. This is the whole procedure. So we will start with this side. Its nature is also nominal. Nature of this account is also nominal. As revaluation account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gains. So I will today explain you the format of this, plus what to write in this account on the credit side, what items to be debited, and from where you will find those items. So it is very important. Unless you know the complete picture, the format of any account, you will not be able to do it. Keep your cameras on, everyone. So I started from this side, credit side. Or on this side, from the balance sheet, you will copy all the liabilities. You will copy all the liabilities, but you will not copy some of the things from the liabilities side. You will not copy some items from the liabilities side. What are those items which you will not copy here? We will copy here outside liabilities. We will copy only outside liabilities. We will not copy anything else. So outside liabilities are like creditors, bank loan, partners, brother, wife, sister's loan. You know what are outside liabilities? Outstanding expenses, bills payable. You will not copy any other thing from the liability side of the balance sheet here. You will only copy outside liabilities. Listen very, very carefully. Pay attention. This is very important. What is to be written? When I have written all liabilities, it refers only outside liabilities. It refers to only outside liabilities, my dear students. You will ignore. You will not write them, which I am going to write now here. You will not include any reserve or any accumulated profit. वो कौन कौन से होते हैं वो आपको पता है. What are accumulated profits and reserves? Those you will ignore. You will exclude. They are general reserve, reserve fund, workman compensation reserve, investment fluctuation fund, all the partners capital account, partners current account, profit and loss account, credit balance. All these items you will not write. You will not write any of these items here. What you will write? You will only write outside debts, outside liabilities. Once again, you will not write profit and loss account, partners capital or current account, reserves. You will not write reserves also. You will not write loan from partner. These are the items you will ignore. These are the items you will ignore. You will only write outside liabilities, my dear students. Outside liabilities. I can see some students still camera off, so I am removing them. I am removing all the students whose cameras are off. Afterwards, don't complain. Number 2, provision. Provision on any asset. Normally you see provision on debtors, provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts. 2 items. अभी हमने सिर्फ 2 ही आइटम बताए इधर. Both side there are 5 items each. Number 3rd, बाय बैंक अकाउंट. जनरल एंट्री है बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. जनरल एंट्री है बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. जितनी भी असेट्स आपकी बैलेंस शीट में दी होंगी, टेंजिबल असेट्स, इनटेंजिबल असेट्स, वो जब आप बेचेंगे तो आपको उसके बदले में पैसे मिलेंगे. सारी असेट्स को बेच के, सारी असेट्स के यहां पर नाम लिखेंगे बाय बैंक अकाउंट, डेटर्स, स्टॉक, फर्नीचर, मशीनरी, उन सबका टोटल फिर यहां लिखेंगे. ऑल द असेट्स इंडिविजुअली realized, what amount you will write here? You will write the assets individually here. Example आपको दे रही है, this is only example. Furniture, debtors, then the total you will write here. Different assets को बेच के आपको कितने पैसे मिले, that you will write here. 3 आइटम हो गए, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. again by bank account, but this time unrecorded asset will be written, unrecorded asset, which is not there in the balance sheet, but in the adjustment it will be given that there was a typewriter which was omitted to be recorded. Now उसको बेच के हमें इतने पैसे मिले, unrecorded asset by bank. Then there is last item, that is partners capital account. Partners capital account. Sometimes at the time of dissolution of the firm, पार्टनर्स कोई असेट अपने घर ले जाते हैं, कहते हैं ये असेट जो है मैं ले जाऊंगा और उसके बदले में हम उनके अकाउंट से उतने पैसे डेबिट कर देते हैं. जर्नल एंट्री देखिए, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट, ये जर्नल एंट्री है इसकी. 5 items on the credit side of realization account. जब आपको एक पूरा क्वेश्चन मिलेगा उसमें से कौन कौन से आइटम्स यहां पर आने आपको पता होना चाहिए. These are the items which are credited. इन सब में फर्म को जो इसका नेचर है, क्रेडिट ऑल इनकम एंड गेन्स, क्रेडिट ऑल इनकम एंड all the liabilities are getting disposed, liability dispose हो रही है तो हमें फायदा हो रहा है. प्रोविजन, बैंक, हमारे पास पैसे आ रहे हैं असेट्स बेच के, अनरिकॉर्डेड असेट्स से पैसे आ रहे हैं. पार्टनर्स जो ले गए हैं असेट उसके पैसे हम उनके अकाउंट से डेबिट कर रहे हैं. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट आइटम्स टू बी शोन ऑन द credit side of partners capital account. It should be very, very clear. Today I will only tell you about the format, then how to go about for question, that I will tell you. But today we are only concentrating on what are the items which will be debited and credited in realization account. Realization account is to realize the value of assets and dispose all the liabilities by paying them. Come to the debit side. बिल्कुल इन्हीं के जैसे आइटम्स इधर आएंगे. Here you see all the liabilities, here it will be all the assets. Here on the credit side, first item, all the liabilities. Therefore, on the debit side, first item will be, you will copy from the balance sheet all the assets, tangible assets, and you will leave some items, some assets you will not write. What are those assets that I will tell you, but you will write all the assets this side. कौन सी? We will not write cash, we will not write bank, we will not write profit and loss account, debit balance, we will not write loan to partners, we will not write fictitious assets, also debit balance of partners capital account or current account we will not write, because we have to write this somewhere else. We have to write these somewhere else. These items from the balance sheet asset side you will not copy here. Keep the camera on. Let me remove them first. Even if I have to remove you every day, I will do that. Liabilities, assets. Now, second item was liabilities paid off. Liabilities paid off. हेलो, हाँ अभी क्लास ले रहा हूँ 5 मिनट. नेक्स्ट वन इज लाइबिलिटीज. जितने भी आपने यहां पर लाइबिलिटीज लिखी होंगी, क्रेडिटर्स, बैंक, सॉरी लोन, बिल्स पेबल, उन सब लाइबिलिटीज को फर्म अब पे करेगी. तो फर्म जब पे करेगी तो हम यहां पर लिखेंगे टू बैंक, नाम लिखेंगे यहां पर क्रेडिटर, बिल पेबल, बैंक लोन, और उनका टोटल अमाउंट लिखेंगे यहां पर. यहां पर सारी पेमेंट आएंगी, यहां पर सारी रिसिप्ट्स आएंगी. गेट द डिफरेंस. दिस साइड विल बी ऑल पेमेंट्स, दिस साइड विल बी ऑल रिसिप्ट्स. नंबर नेक्स्ट, अगेन टू बैंक. Then again to bank. Unrecorded liability. Partners capital account when they pay off liability. अगर पार्टनर लाइबिलिटी पे करते हैं कोई, तो हम उनके अकाउंट को क्रेडिट करेंगे दिस साइड, इट विल बी दिस साइड. अगर पार्टनर कोई असेट ले जाते हैं तो हम उनके अकाउंट को डेबिट करेंगे, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. दिस इज जनरल एंट्रीज, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. हियर द जनरल एंट्रीज रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू partners capital account, their account being credited, their account being credited. Get the difference. When partner take over asset, तो वो asset अपने घर ले जा रहे हैं तो हम उनके अकाउंट से पैसे डेबिट करेंगे. When partners are paying the liabilities of the business, then we will credit their account. ये आपकी अनरिकॉर्डेड लाइबिलिटी कोई थी, उसकी पेमेंट करी आपने. ये जो पूरी प्रोसेस है, ये रियलाइजेशन प्रोसेस टेक्स अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सारी एसेट्स को बेचना और जो भी हमारे आउटसाइड डेब्ट्स है उनको पेमेंट करना, सारा सेटलमेंट करना, इसके लिए काफी खर्चा होता है. दैट एक्सपेंसेस हियर, रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेस, ऑल दीज विल बी गिवन इन द एडजस्टमेंट. उसके बाद लास्ट आप टोटल करेंगे दिस साइड. इफ क्रेडिट साइड टोटल इज मोर, there will be profit on realization. If the credit side total is more, there will be profit on realization. You will write this side in all the partners capital account. If there is profit, you will write here last pay to profit transfer to partners capital account. If there is loss on the credit side, you will write by loss transfer to partners capital account. That's all for today. Very important, this realization account. In every question, you will have to make this realization account. Each and every item should be clear to you. Why it is on the debit side, why it is on the credit side, how it is transferred to partners capital account, why it is transferred to partners capital account. All these concepts should be clear. This whole format is very, very important. Today you revise it, you see, try to solve the question. Journal entry, at least you now know what item are on the debit side, what items are on the credit side. So you can very easily understand the journal entries based on this account. All these will be credited. Realization account debit to all the assets. So realization account debit to furniture, to debtor, to stock, to machinery, like that. Realization account debit to bank. Realization account debit to bank. Realization account debit to bank. ये तीनों में, लेकिन तीनों में अगर पेमेंट अलग अलग है, एक में पेमेंट है सारी लाइबिलिटीज की, एक में पेमेंट है रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेस की, एक में पेमेंट है आपकी अनरिकॉर्डेड लाइबिलिटीज की. So get serious now. Time has come. Very soon the schools will reopen for you also, students also. Be ready mentally, physically, and you are going to have 2 board exams, you know very well. 2 board exams for you. I have already told, rest you can see in the newspapers or in the net. You can search how they will be taken, how serious the CBSE is. So don't just be in a mood that we will get through without doing any sort of labor. Still some of the students are missing and some are still not looking serious. Still they are not following the instructions. Very soon when you are coming face to face, you will face the music. Don't worry. Thank you. God bless all of you.